And as of right now, I have 7 clients. My best month was March. So a month after I made 11 grand. And then I realized I need to change my product. So I paused. But again, in May, I'm going to bring in another 11 grand.
Amazing. And you don't have any employees, no costs. It's just you running the clients.
$50 a month for LinkedIn Premium
Nice.
and $18 a month for condo.
Amazing. Hey, Sam, welcome to the case study interview. I'm very glad to have you here. Can you tell the audience a little bit about your business and what you do?
Quick background, I used to run a coaching platform for a mortgage company in the US. I coached about 120 loan officers at any given time. It was good. I made the company about $1 million a month extra in revenue, and they paid me $7,500 a month in salary. So I figured I start my own coaching program, but I had no idea what to do, how to run a program. And like I wanted to do it on LinkedIn. I wanted to do it a bit differently. So I started posting on November and then some traction with posting, but I knew it wasn't what's going to drive business because I got no business. So so I reached out to you guys in January and then you guys signed me in February. And as of right now, I have 7 clients. My best month was March. So a month after I made 11 grand. And then I realized I need to change my product. So I paused. But again, in May, I'm going to bring in another 11 grand.
Amazing. And you don't have any employees, no costs. It's just you running the clients.
$50 a month for LinkedIn Premium
Nice.
and $18 a month for condo.
Amazing. And tell me a bit about you before that state, because you mentioned you made a lot, passed another person a lot of money. You'd proven you can do this. What was blocking you from being able to just do this yourself? What was the unlock for you?
So there was like emotional and logistical. The logistical was my fiance was going to school in Europe. She gave up her salary. So we didn't want to lose both salaries and wanted to stay safe. So that really prevented me from like starting something on my own. Then on the emotional side, it's like terrifying to kind of just say, all right, I'm not going to take a salary. I'm going to do it on my own. Let's see what happens. But at a certain point, like I think the fear of not being the person, this is for me, like
Mhm.
what worked for me, the fear of not being the person I wanted to be was greater than the pain of not making money. So I was just like, fuck it, let's go for it. Oh, can I swear?
Yeah, fuck it.
Okay, fuck.
I'll
Like,
swear
fuck
back
it,
with
let's
you
just
to
do
make it
it.
like we're in this together now. We're both
Yeah.
sworn. We're bad.
So like fuck it, let's go for it. And we talked a lot about like, hey, how do I start this without losing my job? And
Yeah.
there was a lot of our conversations initially.
And so I remember when we started working together, you had like I think your copywriting was good. Like you had good copywriting, you were creating good posts, but there was this like mechanism that was missing that took them to buy something from you. And you're a very good salesperson. Like you help loan officers, so obviously you were good at sales. What was the middle bit that was missing?
Believe myself to be an expert referral generator. I'm very good at generating warm leads and referrals, and that's what I coach loan officers. I actually think I'm a terrible salesperson because you don't have to be when you generate warm
Interesting.
referrals. Like they just come in and they tell you what you want, and all you have to do is facilitate the transaction. So I came in and I was learning LinkedIn. I actually had never posted content really beforehand.
Wow.
I just like kind of saw what other people were doing, and I kind of like, oh, it makes sense. They have this hook, and then they have this message, but like it wasn't really like logical. I would watch your YouTube videos a lot.
Nice.
And I'm like, oh, this is how they do it. This is a lead magnet. Oh, that drives interest. So the missing parts for me were actually how to go from interest on LinkedIn to a good DM that gets response, and then from a DM response to a meeting. And it's still a work in progress. What I've gotten really good at is now having those discovery calls. And you and I, like right before this, we were working on like how to actually like sell them as well, because my conversion is like average,
Mm.
but I feel like it should be higher. So we're working on bringing that up.
Amazing. Tell us a little bit about the workshop thing you implemented because I ran a workshop funnel and that's how like you came through my funnel in a very small way. And I teach these little micro conversion tactics. And if I remember correctly, you also ran a workshop funnel. Tell the audience what the hell this is and why did we do it and what happened.
So I copy pasted a lot of the things that got me into your program, into like getting people into
Nice.
my program. I just like make one post and say, here's the results. By the way, I'm gonna have a workshop for people that want to learn how to get this, who want to get the same results. You charge for it, but I haven't charged for it yet because I literally just didn't even have the mechanism to charge for
Yeah.
it. Didn't have the Stripe set up, nothing. So I didn't charge for it, but I would get people and I used the exact same thing that like you did. Hey, I want to give you guys this, but it's okay if I pitch you at the end because I loved it. I decided to buy when you said that. Can I pitch you guys
Wow.
it? So I do the same thing. I used to do it once a week, and that's how I made my first 11,000. Just once a week. It's like one post, 15 DMs, six people show up. I make 11 grand from it. Really solid. I kind of got away from it, but I started again with one post, one workshop, 11 grand made again. It's like kind of clockwork. I just need to do more of it and do better with like the conversion. And like, I don't, my next goal is 15 grand a month consistently.
Yeah.
And the workshops tend to work really well.
It's 100% possible. All we need is just more people on the webinar and it just trickles through.
That's it. Yeah.
And tell us, before this call began, you told me you had just booked in 10 discovery calls in the last, I'm going to say 5 days, because I think that's the day you posted it. What caused 10 discovery calls to happen? If I got the number
On the
right.
Slack channel, you regularly say, "Hey guys, this is working. Like send it, like time sensitive, send it." So I literally just like copy paste it,
Yeah.
everything, put it in ChatGPT, make it to my offer. Because now I have the ChatGPT like knows my offer really well as well.
Yeah.
Thursday or Friday, I posted it. I generated 130 comments, so 60 something leads. I have already, and by the way, still getting more comments than I need to respond to them. I got 10 discovery calls just for this week, and I've conducted two, and one already turned into a client.
Boom.
So I
That's
have a lot
crazy.
more to go. It's 10 a.m. for me, so I still have a lot more.
How long did it take you to do that post?
All in probably 10, 15 minutes.
Amazing. So that's a big
Taking
value that
care
you
of the
get.
comments has taken a lot more time than creating it.
Don't worry, when we get the VA at 15K a month, you'll be completely free again.
Oh, that sounds good. That took me probably hours of like just replying to comments.
Good problems, good problems. Tell us a bit about your experience inside LinkedIn Client Engine. Like, what are the bits that you found really valuable, and what are the bits that you're like, this is really helpful for me to get the result?
For me, I'm a very particular learner.
Hmm.
I really do well when I experience it. So a lot of the things for me was like jump on the workshop, experience it, ask the question, and see how you go through it. I learned a lot there. I learned so much going through sales funnel, like the act of becoming a client
Hmm.
probably like made me, I mean, not maybe, has definitely like 4x'd my investment.
Nice.
If we just look at March and May,
Yep.
like just becoming a client, going through the sales funnel, copying that, 4x my investment,
Amazing.
not including anything else. So for me, the workshops super impactful. The one-on-ones are insane, but like for all of these things, you have to have your own initiative. And like
Yep.
I mean, you saw me at times slack, and hence like some of like my April is really slow because I goofed off in March. But and then again, the Slack channel, like the tips, just take the tip, post it, like
Yep.
doesn't hurt, and you get the results.
Amazing. Cool. Anything else you want to add to anyone watching and hearing your story?
Come in motivated to do the work and just say, hey, for 90 days, I'm not going to distract myself with anything else. I'm going to take advantage of it because you give as much as someone wants.
Yeah.
Like you will give, like it's kind of unlimited limit. It is limitless. Like,
Yeah. I think you wanted a
but
second, you wanted a call. I'm like, dude, let's have the call. Let's fucking solve this thing. Because we didn't finish it on that call. I'm like, we need to solve this. Otherwise, we're not moving forward.
exactly. And that was like refining the offer. So it's like, if anyone comes in, just say 90 days, I'm going to do the work. I'm going to take advantage of what's being offered. And then like, I'll go distract myself with something else. That's a mistake I did. I believe if I didn't distract myself, I would be at 15 to 20 grand a month already. But I lost about 30 to 40 days.
Well, it's all good because you have the skill, which is the main thing. It's really important that I teach you how to fish. Soon enough, I think we're like very close to unlocking a 20K month pretty quickly. I think this might be your 20K month if we have these discovery calls right, to be completely frank.
Yeah. If we nail the discovery call and the sales call,
Yeah.
I mean, the leads are there. It's just like converting the leads. 20 grand a month and then 20 grand right after that is like I've tripled my salary.
I want to tell you a bit about, I'll say about what made you an awesome client to work with. There's like a few things that you had. One, you had really good expertise in what you did. So this is like a hallmark of a good client for us is that you are an expert at what you do. And I can tell that immediately from the call that we had. Two is you were really open to offers. And this was really interesting because we spent, I want to say maybe 2.5 hours on offers in some format, probably maybe 2 hours. We worked on the first profile map call. Then we had a second call because he was like, cool, I had this new change in my life that means that I have this whole new opportunity. And we had to break down from scratch, how does Sam turn what we calculated caps at? I think it was a 300K a year lifestyle or 500K. How do we make
Yeah.
this like a silly, a million sort of business? And then we worked that unlock out. And then you did some work behind the scenes and came back and said, I solved it. That for me was like a linchpin moment. That was like amazing. So it was really cool that you're really into the offers and solving that because that's such like a high leverage point. You had a clear skill set. And I think when you do take action, you take action very quickly, which is awesome. So for example, when I put this post out into the community, I said like, hey, this is lead magnet, just do it. 3 people did it. All 3 people that did it got the result though, which is interesting. So it's like, if you take the action, the result will come. So yeah, thank you for that.
Thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I definitely take action quickly. It's a double-edged sword. I take action quickly, but sometimes I get distracted and I take
It's
action
like that
quickly
meme
on
with the
that too.
guy with the girl, and he looks back and there's like another girl there.
That's it. But yeah, like having a clear offer really helps and like spending more time. Like I think a lot of our one-on-ones were like refining the offer. And I would say it's still not perfect because I'm only like
Yeah.
realistically since February doing this. So it's a lot of like trial to just see what it's really gonna end up being.
Yeah.
But so far, like that the starting point has been paying the bills. So that's
Okay.
good.
Amazing. Amazing. Awesome. Well, thank you so much. We'll
Thank
wrap
you.
it up there, but thank you, man.
Thank you. I'll talk to you later.